Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Check your iPhone iOS version and ensure it runs iOS 13, 4 or later. Look in Settings, then General, then About to verify the version number. Screen time passcodes are typically 4-digit or 6-digit numbers you set earlier. Think back to likely combinations and try known family passcodes first. If your device supports it, use your Apple ID to reset the screen time passcode when prompted. Make sure you know the Apple ID email and password linked to the device. If you lack that access, prepare to use Device Restore or contact Apple support. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then tap Change Screen Time Passcode twice. Enter the current passcode when it asks, or choose Forgot Passcode. If you cannot recall it, tap Forgot Passcode and sign in with the Apple ID used to set it. You must enter the Apple ID email and password correctly to proceed. After Apple ID verification, create a new 4-digit or 6-digit screen time passcode that you will remember. Confirm the new passcode when prompted and test by toggling a screen time restriction. Store the new passcode in a secure password manager. If Apple ID reset is unavailable, back up and erase the device using Finder or iTunes. Connect the device to a Mac or PC and make a full encrypted backup before erasing it. Erase and restore from backup to remove screen time passcode when no Apple ID exists or recovery fails. Note that some backups may still include the passcode unless the backup is encrypted appropriately. If you still cannot regain access, contact Apple support with proof of purchase for assistance. Prepare your device serial number and purchase receipt before calling or chatting with support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.